thanks for watching. This is a kitchen sink soup. Literally, you just open your fridge and whatever you've got in there, throw together to make a soup. It's super easy, great way to use up leftovers. I cooked this in my Ninja Foodi, which is fabulous. I highly recommend getting one. And be sure to like and subscribe our video. That would be great. We also have a Facebook group, Ninja Foodi 101, that you can come for more recipes. And of course, there's always more recipes on our blog. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun making your own kitchen sink soup.